Move that one over here. We need 3 more for this pile.
Parameters are holding steady after the adjustment. We should see high-quality yield from this batch.
Confirmed. Data logged.
The drum spins rapidly, shaking the fruit loose from their stalks, releasing the source of the red palm oil.
The African red palm fruit enters a vertical steam-heated vessel called a digester, where rotating blades mash the fruit into a pulp, releasing the oil.
The red palm oil enters a vacuum chamber, where any remaining moisture is flashed off, ensuring the long-term stability of the red palm oil.
The leftover cake is broken up by the conveyor, separating the hard nuts from the fibers for secondary red palm oil products.
The flow rate is stabilizing nicely.
Yes, the phospholipids are reacting as expected. The dosage is perfect.
The refining process has reached the adsorption phase. We are mixing the bleaching earth now, monitoring pressure and temperature.
A single drop of the crystal clear red palm oil falls, initiating the reaction that will determine the fatty acid content. The membrane filter press efficiently separates the liquid olein from the solid stearin. As you can see, two distinct streams flow into separate pipes.
And there is the alpha tocopherol peak.
Levels look excellent, consistent with the previous batch.
With thousands of unique samples stored in this facility, we ensure the complete traceability of every red palm oil shipment. This automated line fills thousands of PET bottles with red palm oil at an incredible rate of 200 bottles every minute.
Sourced directly from West Africa, this red palm oil is known for its rich color and distinctive flavor, bringing an authentic taste to kitchens around the world.
Your total is $12.50.
Here you go.